Hi, this is Dr. P.S. Sudhakar, homeo physician, professor and HOD surgery, Maharaja Institute of Homeopathic Medical Sciences, Nellimarla, Vijayanaram district. Welcome to our channel and please subscribe my channel and give likes. Today's topic is cell phone elbow. Holding mobile phones up to the ear or holding it up while lying in bed for a long period can cause discomfort, pain, and tingling in the forearm and little finger. It was nicknamed as cell phone elbow. This condition is known clinically as cubital tunnel syndrome and it is caused by your elbow rubbing against the ulnar nerve. This is one of the arm's major nerve and is the same nerve you whack when you hit your funny bone. If you are sensing tingling or numbness in your ring and pinky fingers, means little fingers, you may be suffering from cubital tunnel syndrome. You will experience finger, hand, or elbow pain like this because the ulnar nerve, which is located behind your elbow, has become pinched. Normally, this nerve stretches up to 5 millimeters in length when we bend our elbow to maintain function. But prolonged bending puts pressure on the nerve and cuts off blood supply to it. Many of studies have shown cell phone use places a 69% increase in strain on the ulnar nerve. This pinch and subsequent elbow pain can occur after your elbow have been bent over for long periods at a time due to, for example, extended cell phone use. It is the reason why cubital tunnel syndrome is more popularly known as cell phone elbow. It has also been shown that short 6 minutes period assuming the phone's call posture which the elbow continuously bent to hold the phone up to your ear can significantly reduce the speed at which the nervous impulse courses along this nerve. This impacts a person's ability to get sensory information to the brain and makes reflexive movements slower. Symptoms: pain and tingling in the hand is the most common symptom and is easily remedied by changing position. But longer term problems can cause muscle supplied by the ulnar nerve to waste away. Cell phone elbow treatment. Your cell phone elbow symptoms can usually be easily treated with just some homeopathic remedies as it can go away on its own. You can also use the medication with heat or cold pack applications or stretching for a stretching for a move quick and effective cell phone elbow treatment process. The treatment can be furthered by wearing a splint or elbow pad when you go to bed. How to prevent cell phone elbow? You can limit your exposure to elbow pain and other cell phone elbow symptoms by taking a couple of mind full steps. Curb the amount of time your elbow are bent in a strenuous way by utilizing hand-free Bluetooth phone technology. Changing your hand or arm position when taking or scrolling with through your phone, or just cutting down your cell phone use overall. You can also regularly stretch your wrist extensors and arms to keep loose. Really, through there is no too much else you can do on your own to stop cell phone elbow from ever occurring. That's because of if you are experiencing these symptoms while the billions of other people using smartphones aren't, then it is more likely due to a genetic predisposition than genuine mobile phone overuse. You could just have a narrower, narrower cubital tunnel than most people have. Moreover, you could have been born with an extra muscle there, causing issues. Physical therapy for elbow pain. If more than a week goes by and your cell phone or tennis elbow or another form of muscular pain is heavily affecting your quality of life, reach out to the expert physical therapists at orthopedic and support rehabilitation therapy. Now, homeopathic treatment. In this, first drug is Arena diadema for acute burning pain. This homeopathic remedy has its sphere of action around the disorders of nervous system distinguished by neuralgia with unexpected soreness of affected parts. The key symptoms of this remedy include acute burning pain in the nerve, numbness with a sensation of heaviness or the other symptoms of neuralgia. Next one is plumbum metallicum. It is prepared from the common lead. Plumbum is given for a variety of symptoms from muscle spasms and trembling to muscle weakness. Plumbum treats the symptoms of pain and numbness most likely caused by muscular weakness. Another important drug is Calmia for pain and numbness. The main action of the remedy revolves around various conditions causing neuralgia and inflammations. It is also a good remedy in the treatment of sciatica. The pain in the nerves can be sticking, darting, pressing, or shooting in nature, attended by numbness of affected part. Pains are intense and can change places with redness and swelling, which worse from least movement. Other symptoms are weakness of the fingers, pain along the course of the nerve. Next drugs are hypercum and Rastax. Hypercum performs performs a good remedy used to treat an injury, trauma to the elbow or the ulnar nerve, leading to symptoms of cubital tunnel syndrome. The symptoms include tingling, numbness, and burning pain in the affected area. Now, Rastax is the remedy useful in cases where there is history of overstretching of the elbow from exercise or any other activity, ultimately leading to main symptoms of the syndrome. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe my channel and give likes. We will meet again with another video. Thank you.